So if you remember back to the beginning of the course, I mentioned this resource here, Azure Reference Architectures. It's an awesome part of the Azure documentation that will help you design highly available architectures. And remember, we took a look at the multi-tier application. So we took a look at this one here earlier, a highly available multi-tier application. And if you scroll down here to the bottom, there's also a highly available web application architecture. So as you can see, this is very similar to what we were just talking about previously with the traffic manager. There's a traffic manager involved here. And instead of load balancing across virtual machines, we're load balancing across web apps in the app service environment. And there's a ton of other services and infrastructure and SQL databases to make this not only highly available, but also super scalable. So really good design for a very busy web application. And so there's recommendations, there's architecture discussions in here. You can download the Visio diagrams for these. So it's a great solution and a great resource for you. And if we head back over here and scroll back up, while we're on the topic of networking, there's a bunch of different scenarios where you might be doing hybrid networking. You may be utilizing some infrastructure on premises and in Azure. And in those cases, building a VPN tunnel or building an express route connection is probably going to be very interesting for you. And so here in this virtual network section, there's a variety of different architectures that may help you in your designs as you're building out those highly available systems. And this is especially true for something like this, the hybrid network using ExpressRoute with VPN failover. So if you're not familiar with ExpressRoute, that's the high-speed dedicated secure connection straight into the Azure network backbone. But basically what this does is it helps you design a solution to where you primarily use ExpressRoute for connectivity into Azure. And if that goes down, you fail back to a VPN connection. And the other thing you'll notice in a lot of these reference architectures is they might be using a public load balancer as well as some internal load balancers throughout the rest of these architectures. So again, use this Azure Architecture Center as a design resource for you. Next up, let's head over to the module summary and we'll cover some of the important points that we took a look at in this module.